Hey guys, welcome back to tenorshare channel. Is your iPhone constantly freezing, stuck on a green screen, white screen, or not responding when you tap the screen? In today's video, I'll show you how to fix this step by step. Let's get started. Method 1. Hard reset your iPhone. First, press the volume up button, then press the volume down button, and after that, press and hold the side button until you see the Apple logo appear. You can follow the on-screen example to do this correctly. This method fixes software glitches by forcing your iPhone to restart, and it will not cause any data loss. If this doesn't work, let's move on to the next method. Method 2. Use ReiBoot to perform a standard repair. If force restart doesn't work, you'll need to repair your iPhone firmware. ReiBoot is a professional iOS repair tool trusted by millions of users worldwide. It can fix over 150 iOS system issues, and it also provides one-click backup and restore, so your data stays safe. First, download ReiBoot from the link in the description and connect your iPhone to the computer. Here, you can use ReiBoot to enter recovery mode with one click. Just click Enter Recovery Mode in the bottom left corner, and within a few seconds, your iPhone will enter recovery mode. Then, click Start Repair, choose Standard Repair, and follow the instructions to download the firmware. Once the process is complete, your iPhone will be repaired. Method 3. Factory reset your iPhone. If your iPhone freezes or shows a white screen because of full storage, you can fix it by restoring it to factory settings and clearing all storage at once. First, open Settings, tap General, scroll down and select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then choose Erase all content and settings. Enter your passcode and tap Erase iPhone. After a short wait, your iPhone will be restored like new, with no storage taking up space. That's everything for today. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.